Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for top 5 best car polisher for car detailing 2025? Here are my full reviews top 5 best car polisher for car detailing 2025. So start in video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Number 1. The Avhrit Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit is a solid choice. In this video, I put it through its paces and was impressed by how well it handles both light waxing and deeper polishing jobs. The 21V dual 2000 mAh batteries give you plenty of runtime, and the cordless design makes it incredibly convenient, no cords tangling around your car or limiting your reach. With 6 variable speed settings, it's easy to switch between gentle buffing and heavy-duty polishing. The 6-inch pad size hits a nice balance between coverage and control, and the extra 10 attachments make it versatile for different surfaces, paint, glass, and even furniture. It's surprisingly lightweight and quiet, reducing fatigue during long detailing sessions. Whether you're a weekend detailer or just want to maintain your car's shine, this kit delivers great results without breaking the bank. Overall, the Avhrit cordless polisher offers excellent value, ease of use, and professional quality finish for any car enthusiast. Number 2. The BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher is a standout choice. In my video, I showcase how this compact, brushless dual-action (DA) polisher delivers professional-grade results with impressive ease of use. The cordless design, powered by two 12V 2.0 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, gives you freedom to move around the vehicle without worrying about tangled cords or limited reach. The 6 variable speed settings let you fine-tune the performance for everything from gentle waxing to heavy-duty oxidation removal. I especially like the smooth start and consistent power output, which help prevent swirl marks and make it easy to achieve that deep, mirror-like shine. The ergonomic design, lightweight build, and low vibration make it comfortable to use for extended detailing sessions. In the video, I also demonstrate how long the batteries last per charge and how quickly they recharge, perfect for tackling a full car in one go. The results speak for themselves, a spotless, glossy finish with minimal effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional detailer, the BATOCA cordless polisher offers exceptional value, combining portability, performance, and precision in one sleek package. It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about car care. Number 3. The SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher. The SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher is a compact powerhouse that delivers professional-level results in a small, easy-to-handle package. In this video, I put the 12V cordless multi-polisher to the test on various surfaces, and it absolutely impressed me. The dual-action and rotary functions provide great versatility for detailing tight areas, headlights, mirrors, and even intricate car trims. The cordless design is a major win, no more tangled cords or limited movement, and the battery life is surprisingly strong for its size. It comes with a full set of polishing pads, making it beginner-friendly and ready to use right out of the box. The ergonomic grip and lightweight design reduce fatigue, allowing for better control and precision. Whether you're removing fine scratches, applying wax, or restoring shine, this micro polisher performs efficiently and quietly. Overall, the SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher is a must-have for DIY detailers and professionals who value portability, performance, and reliability. Number 4. The Protmex Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. I'm genuinely impressed by how much performance it delivers for a compact, cordless design. The dual 21V 2000 mAh batteries give plenty of runtime, perfect for detailing an entire car without constantly recharging. The 6-inch pad size hits the sweet spot between coverage and precision, making waxing and polishing effortless. What really stands out is the variable speed control, which lets you adjust power based on the surface and polish type. It runs smoothly with minimal vibration, and the ergonomic handle keeps it comfortable even during long sessions. The included 18 attachments add huge value, everything from foam pads to microfiber bonnets, letting you handle paint correction, waxing, and even furniture polishing. Overall, the Protmex cordless buffer is a powerful, beginner-friendly, an affordable detailing tool that rivals more expensive brands. If you want professional results without the cord hassle, this kit is absolutely worth it. Allowing for better control and precision. Whether you're removing fine scratches, applying wax, or restoring shine, this micro polisher performs efficiently and quietly. Overall, the SPTA cordless mini polisher is a must-have for DIY detailers and professionals who value portability, performance, and reliability. Number 5. The AOBEN 6-inch dual-action car buffer polisher is a game-changer. In my video, I walk you through everything that comes in the kit, from the 4 buffing pads to the detachable handle, and demonstrate how its 6 variable speeds, 1,000 to 4,500 revolutions per minute, give you full control for waxing, polishing, and removing scratches. The dual-action design means it's safe for beginners, reducing swirl marks and overheating compared to single-action buffers. I also show how the ergonomic grip and balanced weight make long detailing sessions much more comfortable. Whether you're a weekend car enthusiast or a pro detailer, the AOBEN delivers professional results at an affordable price. I tested it on paint correction, headlight restoration, and even finishing wax, and the results were impressive every time. Watch till the end for my tips on pad care and getting the best shine possible.